Hello guys, good morning. This is Kayan Solar, and we do for installation of 20 kilowatts on-grid system at Padili site. And this is our team, and we started the preparations for installation of 20 kilowatts and abide by the rules of the Aramco. Uh, we need to fix the mounting structure in Aramco standard way, and also observe safety precautions as we have done for 20 kilowatts, 1 day for preparations, and 2 days for the installation for all about 36 solar panel with 545 watts per panel. This is the result, guys. Mashallah, we have a good team, we have a good engineer, we have a good people who have experience in this category, solar renewable energy. So if you need our service, don't hesitate to contact us at www.kayansolar.com and Instagram kayansolar_solar. Thank you, and God bless you.